Hello everyone, I'm Chandana Reddy of grade 9 from Iris World School.
My name is Ishan and I am from Iris World School.
On this auspicious occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, I would like to salute our brave martyrs and speak a few words. Kargil Vijay Divas, named after the success of Operation Vijay. On this day, 26 July 1999, India successfully took command of the high outposts which had been lost to Pakistani intruders. The Kargil War was fought for more than 50 days, ended on 26 July and resulted in loss of both sides. The war ended with India regaining control of all the previously held territory.
A number of Indian soldiers earned awards for gallantry. 4 Paramveer Chakras and 11 Mahavir Chakras were awarded.
Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of the Kargil War's heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil Dras sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year.
It was their courage and their bravery which gave India a fine victory. The army heroes sacrificed their own lives during the Kargil War. Nearly 527 soldiers were killed. So that the entire country can sleep in peace. The stories of their bravery, courage and passion are larger than lives.
The Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated all over the country. Social and cultural programs are arranged in schools and colleges. Children know about the Indian wars and their heroes by celebrating such types of days. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
is Anaga and I'm studying in grade 7 of Irish World School. Today I'm going to speak about the Kargil Vijay Divas. India is a land of brave warriors. We fight to claim what is ours. Our Indian army is full of such courageous heroes, and in the year 1999, the Kargil War fought between Pakistan and India and lasted for 60 days. On 26th July 1999, the world witnessed the bravery of the India when we conquered the Kargil War against Pakistan. To celebrate this victory, Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated across India. It is observed to pay tribute and honor to the 500 sacrificed soldiers for our motherland. Our Prime Minister pays homage to the Indian Army at Amarnath Jawan in New Delhi at India Gate every year. I would also like to pay tribute to the Indian Army wholeheartedly and Jai Hind.
Today is 26th of July and we are celebrating Kargil Vijay Divas. So this day is a very important day for all of us in India. So this is the day on which India won a war with Pakistan. So we need to pay tribute to all those brave soldiers. And on this day, we need to remember that every soldier is someone's child. And to be very specific, we need to remember all of them. We need to pay our tribute. Our Honorable Prime Minister also pays tribute to all these soldiers. So a true soldier is not someone who fights for himself or herself. A soldier is someone who fights for the entire nation. And we need to remember that we are sleeping with a mind or with a peaceful mind only because of them. So we need to thank each and every soldier of this country. This is the day we will thank not only the armed forces but all the frontline workers who are working for COVID-19. Because in this situation, this pandemic situation, we are in a state of war. Maybe we can term this as a biological war, or we can refer to this as the World War III. So I am in no way deviating from the point that Kargil Vijay Divas is for the soldiers and we are fighting for the soldiers. But we also need to thank all the frontline workers on this day, because they are also helping us to save our lives. So I would like to thank all the members who are working for us day and night. So I will share a story. One day I met a soldier. He said, either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor or I will come back wrapped in it. So it is a very big thing, because a soldier is someone who is dedicated towards his nation. So I won't talk about the futility of war, because this is the day we need to thank them. So Kargil Vijay Divas is the day we need to thank each and everyone who fought this war. I will end with only one thing. Bharat Mata ki Jai, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning all. Today is a very special day. Couple of years before, in 1999, 26th of July, India won the battle against the Pakistani intruders in Kargil area. Since then, we celebrate today as a Kargil War Day or Kargil Victory Day or Vijay Divas. The operation was named as Operation Vijay. The battle went on for 60 days, and many of our Indian brave soldiers, they sacrificed their lives to make our motherland free, to make us safe. We shouldn't forget their sacrifices, particularly on this day. We must remember that they lost their lives to protect us. Being the head of the institution of Iris World School, I want you all to remember that no matter which profession we are in, the best one is the army. Because of them, we are safe, we are secure. Next time, when you see somebody wearing military uniform of India, show respect. And I want you to remember, and I want you to pay tribute to our motherland every single day of our life. I thank all of you for joining us in this special celebration today, and I pay respect and homage to the brave soldiers who lost their lives in the war between India and Pakistan in the year of 1999, 26th of July. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jawan.